Welcome to our tour of System Surveyor's new Boundaries feature. Whether you're designing systems with video surveillance cameras, motion detectors, or Wi-Fi access points, use the System Surveyor boundaries to illustrate walls, poles, or obstacles to show the true area of coverage or field of view for your devices. This helps to create a professional, accurate layout for better decision making. To be consultative with the ability to show the real world is a powerful tool with clients and stakeholders. To access boundaries, navigate to one of your surveys created with a floor plan or with a satellite image from our Google Maps integration. You'll see that this floor plan has plenty of walls and access points. As we place in a fixed video surveillance camera down a hallway, we can position the area of coverage. This camera has a longer field of view but cannot see through the walls on either side. From the Area of Coverage toolbar, select Boundaries. You will then be able to draw lines to visualize how the area of coverage will interact with the physical walls on site. For a multi-lens camera, it is also a great example of better camera placement optimization. See in this example how boundaries can help inform the placement of multi-lens cameras. Video surveillance cameras are not the only devices that boundaries can interact with. In the case of a motion detector, sensor, or a Wi-Fi access point, the same concept applies. You can also place your boundaries before you start designing. Then, place your element in the desired location based on the area of coverage. Once you are satisfied with your design, you may want to create a survey layout report. To do this, navigate to the Report section from the three-dot menu and select the Layout Report option. You can then insert your company logo and title block and legend. Then export your survey layout as a PDF. Thank you for checking out System Surveyor Boundaries. Here's your opportunity to consult and visualize with your clients and stakeholders. Try System Surveyor for free on our website and experience boundaries for yourself.